The city felt different as we moved through it, like the air itself was charged, every shadow a potential threat. Jenna and I stuck close, our steps hurried, eyes darting to every passing car, every stranger's glance. The napkin with the safe house address was folded tightly in my palm, already damp with sweat. We didn't talk much as we walked. There was nothing left to say. Every word felt dangerous, every moment a test of our resolve. At one point, Jenna squeezed my arm, her silent reassurance grounding me as the world spun on. We took a circuitous route, ducking into alleys, weaving through crowds, doubling back on our own tracks. Jenna's paranoia was infectious, but I knew it was necessary.